Today it's Friday, December 13, 2024. Let's make one small update for the BWA. Some news. What are these news? Yesterday they brought me the new bearings for the alternator. And I'm gonna put together, I don't have the voltage regulator, but at least I'm not gonna have all these pieces here up. That's good, that's always welcome. Then, I received the EGT sensors. I put the sleeves here, the fittings. I haven't torqued it down yet. I have a reason why. Because till yesterday I was waiting for an answer, how you want me to proceed, how you want me to continue. And yesterday they explained to me what to do. They said to me, you know what, don't cancel the direct injection and put the old intake manifold. And to be honest with you, that's the best thing to do for me, for my mind, my opinion. All right. I'm gonna repeat myself once again, just to be clear. My problem with this intake manifold, there are two problems. One of the problems is the block for the direct injection. All right, the one that came with. I don't know where I put them. I'm supposed to have them somewhere here. Yeah, all right. One is this, that for me it's not right. All right, and I believe that you're gonna fail within one pull. And second thing, it's the length from where they spray the fuel injectors, where it's mounted the fuel injectors. I have explained that before. You see also these spacers here, all right, that's far away. Now, if you cancel the direct injection and you rely to keep an idle from here, from these injectors, it's not gonna happen. And if you combine this one with the camshafts, you're gonna tell me it's not something crazy. The camshafts, yeah, okay, but you're not gonna have drivability the car. That's my point. And most probably you're gonna even melt the piston because you're gonna have droplets and you're not gonna spray the injector. Now, why I prefer to put the old intake manifold? I'll show you why. It's very simple why. Nothing wrong other than I have to order a couple of seals to reseal it, okay? And see where it's the position of the fuel injector. It's not spraying through a hole. See that? And that's what you want to have. You need to have as close as possible to the port. You don't want far away. Otherwise, put a carburetor, you know? So, let me put together the alternator and finalize this video. There will gonna be one small problem. I'm gonna have to delay for a couple of days, maximum 2 days. That means on Monday I'm gonna continue with this. Why? Because I have the parts for the Audi, for the A8, and I wanna see what I have and what I don't have to place an order. And then when I finish on that, I can continue with this. All right, let me put together the alternator. Give me a second for you. Finish for now with the alternator. Spins fine. Doesn't make any sound. Looks nice. Old bearings with the old parts outside. And that's it. See you again. Not tomorrow, Saturday, Monday. Yeah, Monday. That's it. Thank you very much. Over and out.